I am in the Lake of Ziros, in the prefecture of Preveza, nearby the town of Filippiada. Have a closer look at this. It's a scary sight, isn't it? Hello wanderers! Today I'm visiting the Lake of Ziros in the prefecture of Preveza, nearby the town of Filippiada. According to a folk legend, two sisters lived in this place. The one was very rich and jealous, and the other very poor. She was so poor that she fed her children with the leftovers of her rich sister. Despite this, her children were very healthy, something which made the rich sister very jealous because her children were very weak. This became the reason that finally caused a rupture in the relations of the two sisters, and the poor left her house in order to start a new life far away in the mountains. On her way, an angel appeared and told her not to turn back to look at what would happen, because then she would be turned into a pillar of salt. Soon a terrifying earthquake took place and the whole area collapsed, including the house of the rich sister. The poor sister was frightened and turned back to see, but the same moment she was turned into stone, together with her donkey and kids. The earthquake is said to have created the beautiful Ziros lake, and the statue of the poor women is, as being told, the large rock in the east of the lake. Ziros Lake was created due to earthquake activities in the area. Geologists believe that in the past the lake was a lake cave, but the ceiling collapsed about 10,000 years ago. No matter its origins, the result is a beautiful lake with a unique biotope almost untouched by man. Lake Ziros is a major attraction. It looks like a Swiss landscape, and it was relatively unknown to the public as it was not listed in tourist guides. It doesn't take too long to realize that while you're surrounded by nature, when you have the chance to take a walk in the forest or sit by the river, or in this case, when you can walk nearby the lake in the paths here, you can feel a different energy. You can feel the calmness inside you, and you can find inner peace. Nature, Mother Nature, brings this feeling to us whenever we visit it. So I would suggest to anyone that could take the chance and find the time basically during the day to spend some time in nature, enjoy the forest or the lake or the river, anything that someone can find nearby where they live. Please do it. It really helps. It really helps to get through the day. It really helps to feel calmness, real calmness. Mother Nature is the best doctor, the best psychiatrist, the best psychologist. As you can see, the Lake Ziros is surrounded by mountains, and there is also a big forest around the area and many pathways that one can take in order to enjoy a walk, or many people use the place for vacation. I mean, they put their caravans around the area and they are camping here, swimming in the lake, go for fishing and do summertime sports activities. Now I'll take you to a place that you cannot imagine that it is located right here next to the lake. I'll just show you the city of Pedopolis. It's a village, actually, a small compartment of buildings that used to shelter orphans. I think during the 50s, 1950s, 1960s, 70s or so. Now this site is abandoned, and I don't know if during the summer it is used for festivals or I don't know. I don't really know. But I'll take the chance to show you some of the buildings right here. Here there is a place that the children used to play soccer or football, if you want. And here you can see the shelters that these children used to live. Maybe a school was there, a restaurant or so. The toilets, I suppose. Let's take a look inside and see how abandoned the place is. Wow. Toilets. Old toilets and a sink and two sinks and another toilet, another toilet. a beautiful graffiti over there that pictures the children eating snacks, or I don't know what it is. Let's have a closer look at this. Okay. I don't know what was the usage of all those buildings here, but probably buildings that was used to serve, you know, these children, these orphan children, like a big village, like an orphanage, a big orphanage that I think was supported by the government. Another building here, abandoned, I think. Let's take a look inside. Nothing's left here. Nothing. Okay. I think everything is abandoned here. Just, you know, cardboards and dirt. Now you can't see anything inside here. It's too dark. Place where life existed, but now there's nothing. Just a completely abandoned place. Abandoned buildings. Buildings that are ready to demolish. Oh, I like this one. I'll try to get you there. Let's see what's in there. I think nothing. Even if something was used to be there, it is completely stolen and taken by people that invaded the place. Let's see. Oh, just a mattress. There's a mattress here. And another one. Oh, some animal, maybe a rat, has eaten it up. Oh, look at the abandonment of the place. This place is like it is haunted. There's no life in here. There's nothing that reminds of life in here. No evidence of life, but just a beautiful, you know, piece of art outside. And basically this building is made out of wood. Imagine to live in a place like this while you're raised. Let's take a look in another one nearby. The door. Knock. Oh, you cannot see here. A desk. Maybe a desk of a teacher or someone, a civil servant that used to work in this place. It's a scary sight, isn't it? Life used to be here. Now there's nothing. There's nothing to remind the old days. I mean, back in the days, this site was full of life. Children used to play. It was full of life. But look at here. Nothing but abandoned buildings everywhere. Everywhere. Nothing to remind the old good days. Just nothing apart from ruins. Ruins of a distant past. Ruins of a distant past. Just look here. Wow. There's no roof at all. No windows, nothing. Although this might be a good photograph. Wow, check this out. I'm not sure what the purpose of this building it is, but it's quite scary. It's quite scary in here. Wow. Very scary indeed. And here you can see the taps that children use to drink water while they were playing outside. This is an old construction, a traditional one that we have here in our territory. Beautiful and scary.